Hey guys, it's your boy What's Next, back at you guys with another video. And for the people who don't know me, this is What's Next. I upload once a week. And before I go on to the unboxing, I want you guys to like, comment and subscribe and press that notification button on the bottom so that you guys get notified when I upload a new video. So today, as you can see from the title, it's an unboxing video and it's an unboxing on the Vapormax. You can see where I bought these Vapormax in my last video. In my Beijing vlog, I bought these in Beijing. I saw them in Beijing, so I had to get them. So these are the Vapormaxes that I got there. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright. So these are the shoes. These are the Vapormaxes. This is the colorway I got. The black and white Fire Kicks colorway from me. It's OG, it's simple, it's like I can wear it anywhere, school, and I love this colorway. So before I go on to the shoe, let me put them right back. Let me talk about the box. So the box has a Vapormax here in the iridescent silver logo. It has a small Nike logo up here, and the sizing, I got size 9.5. It runs a bit small, so get a size higher or a half a size higher. It says Vapormax again in that silver iridescent logo, and Nike iridescent here. It's not your original orange Nike box, which is really good, which I really like. I like the boxes to be special. If you see my other videos, I always talk about the box needing to be special. And this is a special box. It's like this because of the flagship shoe for Nike. So I understand that, and I love how it looks. I love iridescent. And I'll go back to the shoe. I love that crumpling sound of the paper. So this is the shoe. It's a very highly durable Flyknit material. It's the 2.0 iteration. It has the heel TPU, which is new, the extended heel TPU with the Nike logo also having that TPU layer. It has a TPU mudguard in the front, a TPU side with the Nike logo, which is new to the 2.0 iteration. And the rest of it is quite similar to the 1.0. One big difference I would say in terms of looks is the extended higher knit here. It looks small, but I see the difference quite a lot because I tried the 1.0s out as well. And it has a little pull tab with a 3M reflective little piece of reflective rope right there. It's segmented air cushioning. This pair says Air Max here. The other pair just has the Nike logo over there. That's how you can see if it's a real or fake. It has this huge air bubble pockets. The main buy point of the shoe. Reason people buy it because of the air bubble right here, and it's the most air ever in a shoe for Nike. So that's why it has that hefty price tag, that expensive price tag, but that's because of the technology inside here. So this is the right pair. Let me get out the left pair. So this is the right and the left pair now. So as you can see, both of them look the same. And the technology of this air is called segmented air cushioning. I can show you the segmented air cushioning by this. You can see it's in parts. If I do this, this part comes out. If I do this, this part comes out. And if I do the whole thing, this part comes out. That's called a segmented air cushioning with the Flyknit. So this is what Nike's coming to do. And this shoe took them 7 years to do, just because of the idea of putting this much air. It takes a lot of research and a lot of time to manufacture something this extensive. Alright, so two main questions people ask about the shoe. Is the air bubbles durable? I went on a lot of YouTube videos before I bought them, of course. I needed to make sure if it's durable, and all of them said they're really durable. After a year of wear, they're still intact and they're really good condition. They do yellow over time, but that's normal to all Nike shoes with this kind of cushioning. And but they don't pop easily unless you get like a hammer or nail and they like pop, of course it's gonna pop. But other than that, it's a very durable shoe. And the next question is the Flyknit durable? I can answer this question with my own experience. I have the Lunar Epic Flyknits, the predecessor of this shoe. It used to be the flagship Nike shoe for running before this came along. And that shoe has a high-cut Flyknit upper, which is fully breathable, exactly like this, kind of like this. And it's extremely durable. I wear it to school every day. I can wear that outside. It's really, really durable. it's that Flyknit is so durable, and I think after this is a newer shoe, so this should have way more durable Flyknit. So those are the two main questions answered. So next, comfort, practicality, looks, and how they feel in hand. So comfort-wise, I'll give them an 8 out of 10 or a 7 out of 10. They're not as good as Ultra Boost or EQTs, but I would say they're on par with the Lunar Epic Flyknits, or a bit more comfortable. Because they're not like the Boost technology. I wouldn't say they're as that good yet, but like it's comfortable, it looks cool, and it like you can still feel that air and you can see what Nike is going through. But I would give it to the Ultra Boost and the EQTs. Okay, looks wise, it's either a hit or a miss. Looks wise, few people love it, few people hate it. I'm few of the people who love it because I like how it looks futuristic. It looks really futuristic. It looks like some shoes from Mars, and it looks really, really cool. And then practicality. I wouldn't say I would wear these shoes every day because I don't think they're that much of a practical shoe. I would say this is more of like a performance sneaker than a casual sneaker that you wear outside a lot. You could wear it casually, but it's more of a performance sneaker. But it would look nice with like some denim jeans put in, which will look really nice. And then how it feels in hand. So right now I'm feeling it in my hand. I would say it's one of the best shoes to feel in hand. I will give it a 10 out of 10. Straight out of the box, you can feel that. You can feel the beautiful air bubbles. It feels cool. It feels futuristic. The Flyknit is really stretchy. I can demonstrate. It's really stretchy. And you can see this is sturdy and a rugged shoe. Looks maybe deceiving that it's not, but it is when you have it in hand. So I'll give that a 9 to a 10 out of 10. So my conclusion on the Vapormax. It's a shoe that I like, hence why I bought them. But it's not a shoe everyone would like. If you want comfort, I would tell you to go straight to the Ultra Boost because this is $10 more than the Ultra Boost. I'll tell you to go Ultra Boost or EQTs. But looks wise, I will 100% recommend this over the Ultra Boost because I feel like this looks way more futuristic. And the Ultra Boost is saturated, this is not. So this is something that can make you look cooler and make you look a bit more taller with this big bubble. So I hope you guys got educated a bit. If you guys wanted to buy the sneaker, you guys can know the pros and cons of the sneaker. And if you want me to do a comparison with the Ultra Boost in detail, Ultra Boost, the EQTs and the Lunar Epic Flyknit, I will do. Please put them in the comment section down below. Watch my videos before to see other content. It's not just sneaker unboxing. There's drum covers and other videos. There's vlogs. There's a lot of stuff on my YouTube channel. I hope you guys like this video, comment other video suggestions, and subscribe to this video. And it's been your boy, What's Next. Peace!